Okay, hi everybody. So in this video here, we're going to just practice solving some trigonometric equations here. So we're going to solve the following trigonometric equation on the domain 0 to 2 pi. So that's just one complete rotation around the circle. Okay. Now, the first thing we want to do with this 1 minus 2 cosine of x equal 0 is we want to isolate the trig function here. So I'm going to bring that 2 cosine of x over to the other side of the equation. Then I'm going to divide by 2. So now I've got the trig function isolated here. Now what's important, first of all, because there's two things I got to concern myself with. First of all, notice that this is positive. Cosine is positive in quadrants 1 and 4. Okay, so there are two possibilities here. The cosine is giving me a positive ratio here. That means that I must be in quadrants 1 and 4 here. So two answers here. The second part is the value. And there are lots of different ways that we sort of expect you to know this, okay? But I need you to connect the fact that in the triangle, okay, my reference angle here, basically what we're saying here is that the cosine of my reference angle is 1/2 here. You need to know the link between the angle, cosine, and the ratio here. You can use the unit circle. People can use special triangles. It really doesn't matter. You can even use, I know some people use charts here. You can even use your calculator. But the issue here is that the inverse cosine of 1/2 is going to be pi over 3. Okay. And we're working in radians. Okay. You can see that from the question here. The domain is in radians. We're working in radians. So for x here, if we put x in quadrant 1, okay, that first positive rotation is going to give us a positive angle of pi over 3. The other angle that we're going to get is in the fourth quadrant here. Now, bear in mind, I'm breaking up both the top half and the bottom half of the circle into thirds. Here was my first answer right there. That's 1 pi over 3. To go all the way around into the fourth quadrant, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 pi over 3s. Okay, and those are the two answers that I'm looking for.